Right now, we're seeing a significant downturn in sentiment around artificial intelligence, clocking in at minus 0.70 with a momentum of minus 0.85. This indicates a sharp drop compared to the historical baseline, suggesting a growing skepticism or concern in discussions surrounding AI. Notably, this sentiment shift is backed by 17 semantic clusters, providing a rich context for your analysis. When you leverage our API, it returns nuanced insights about sentiment, including sentiment scores, momentum, and clusters, allowing you to drill down into the discourse shaping AI trends. One practical use case. You could integrate this data into your application to tailor content recommendations based on real-time sentiment shifts, ensuring your users are engaged with the most relevant and timely information. For more details, check out pulsebit.loj enterprise.com/docs.